Hi, my name is Olivia from UniMed, and today I'm going to talk about how you can make the most out of your work experience placement. So there are 3 parts to this, 3 Ps. The first one is be prepared. So don't just arrive on time, but arrive early and know exactly where you're meeting your F1 or consultant, and arrange that the week before, not just the night before. Also, bring a notepad, bring pens, and bring anything you might need for the day. The second one is be present. Don't be on your phone, don't be looking out the window and desperate to get away. If you're present, you're much more likely to actually enjoy yourself and learn something. And the third one is be proactive. So when it's appropriate, ask questions. Ask questions about what you're seeing, about what it's like to be a doctor. Usually finding the F1 or F2, so the youngest people on the team, will be helpful because they're the ones who have just come out of med school and are most likely to show you the ropes and show you what being a doctor is really like. So those are my tips. Make sure to keep a note of everything you see on your work experience so you can use it later in your personal statement and in your interviews.